Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing, or it is actually the same day. It's just that I'm going back to the hospital and I wanted to take my last energy to do another unboxing video. Because here, I'm pretty sure these here. Here we have another pair of shoes that I've really been looking forward to. So the Air Jordan 3 Fire Red, I am pretty sure that I had one of the releases before. It must be like 10 years ago or something. But like this, we haven't seen them since 1988, since the original, because this is our original colorway. I think this was the third one released. So yeah, we had the black ones, you just call them white cement, I think. The black cement, and then it was these. So this is an OG colorway, and I collect OG colorways. But either way, this is a great shoe. This is as versatile as a pair of white Air Force One, more or less. You can get away with this red with any outfit. So, man, that was a while ago since a pair of Jordans really smell like leather. That was nice, and the leather is soft, and this is a perfect pair of shoes. Yeah, we also have this again, the sort of not an instruction, but it shows everything about the shoe. And all Jordans before had something like this, not in paper, or was it in paper? I just want to remember that it wasn't folded this way. Yeah, I'm getting old. But, and I even think that modern Jordans had this. But I like this. It explains the shoe and the technology, and yeah, so it should always have this. Also, we have the plastic orange tab. I haven't seen that in a while as well. Man, I'm feeling old. I haven't seen this on a pair of Air Jordan 3. It feels like 10 years again. But either way, this is a very nice shoe. Works with everything, every day. And the leather was super nice. I don't know, because these were released, I think it's maybe 2 months ago now. So I don't know if there were any hype about them. I hope there was, because it is a shoe that everybody can wear with anything every day. It's an OG colorway, and we haven't seen it like this for 34 years. Since 1988, we haven't seen them like this with the Nike Air logo in the rear. And as I said earlier, I don't mind the Jumpman at all. I prefer to have a Jumpman in the heel instead of the Nike Air text. But the OG colorways are supposed to have this, because that's what they had back in the days. So I'm happy to have them. And now I'm waiting for the white cements are supposed to come. Is it this winter? Well, in like a couple of months they are coming. So I have all 3 OG colorways of the Air Jordan 3, and I'm happy with that. That's the thing that I'm collecting now, the OG colorways. So the videos I've seen, there's no complaint about the sizing, and the Air Jordan 3 is always true to size. I have never had on a pair of Air Jordan 3 that was tight or anything else. minor flaws, minor. So I'm really happy with them. And that smell, the leather smell, it's been a while. So these are absolutely worth the money. Nice to see. I'm happy to have them. Thanks for watching. A bit boring video, but the energy is like this. So subscribe, thumbs up, comment. Do you have these shoes? What do you think about them? Now I'm getting dizzy as well, so it's time to go to bed. Good night.